Alright, initially the grounds look really good. You can see there's some damage here on the garage doors. Looks like at least one of them would have to be completely replaced. Get a good look at that. But the landscaping looks really good. Not a lot of work to be done there. I could see. This tree is big, old, maybe a little unwieldy tree on the property. The driveway looks pretty good. There's a crack there, but pretty standard stuff. Okay. Let's look here. That's a total minor fix. See, I'm not sure if that's wet to the touch or if that's just in need of paint. Okay. Let's see here. It's not too bad, really. Power washing would do a lot. Okay, get it close to the side.